Hey guys, next time I see you, we're going to be doing a little bit more with multiplying fractions. There are 4 learning targets for this particular lesson. Some of them you'll hit in the notes for today, and some of them we'll be hitting in class next time I see you. Number 1, know the basic rule for multiplying simple fractions. Number 2, multiply simple fractions and mixed numbers. Number 3, use area to help model multiplying fractions. And number 4, know how to find a reciprocal. So let's go ahead and dive right in. A couple of review things that I'd like for you to take a few moments to do. You can go ahead and press pause to do this when you're ready. You'll need to write each of the mixed numbers as a simple fraction and show the fraction that is pictured in each of these based on the shading that you see. So go ahead, press pause, take a few moments to do that. All right, great. In part A, the simple fraction that we should see here is 29/8. In part B, the simple fraction that you should see here is 17/7. In part C, we should be looking at 11/6. In part D, we should be able to see 99/10. And as far as the fraction pictured below, in one of these we actually have what would probably begin as 6/12 being simplified to 1/2. And kind of the greenish looking one below would more than likely begin as, it looks like 24/28, which would probably end up simplifying down actually to 6/7. Let's take a look here. A little bit of what you need to know before you come to class with reciprocals. A pair of reciprocals will always multiply 2, 1. Excuse me. So copy the chart below to show how reciprocals are related. We're going to discuss and do some more examples in class. So if your original number is a, the reciprocal is of course 1/a. As far as this checking the product, that's something that we'll do in class. When I see you guys next time, please include this column. If your original number is x over y, the reciprocal of that number is y over x. As far as checking the product, we'll actually do that in class next time I see you. And finally, multiplying fractions property. We've actually viewed this a couple times in class with DMRs. We're just going to put it down in algebraic terms here. The basic rule for multiplying simple fractions is a over b times c over d. So you can see we're multiplying 2 simple fractions together. One of them is a over b, and one of them is c over d. The product can be found by multiplying a times c and b times d for our denominator. And that's it for multiplying fractions.